Hello, good morning. I hope you all are good. In this video, we are going to analyze a poetry and then solve the questions which are given in the poetries like passage of from the poetry passage. So let's start. The poetry is I am nobody. Who are you? Are you nobody too? Then there's pair of us. Don't tell, David advised. You know how deary to be somebody, how public like a frog, to tell one's name the livelong June to admiring brog. Which one of the following poetic device emphasizes the poet's reluctant to be somebody? So the first question is asking that which poetic device emphasis. First question is emphasis of poetic device to emphasis means to show the nobody. So if you go there and list like if you like come there and see first line I am nobody, in this which poetic device is used? See, exclamation is used, right? So what will be the answer? Exclamation mark. See carefully, first line I am nobody and then exclamation. So don't be confused, and this is very easy answer, but the question has been asked is by modifying so much, so it's look like so hard. Which of the following poetic device emphasis? So the answer is exclamation mark. Let me give you some explanation. In this first line of I am nobody, who are you? See written line, no? The speaker exclaims that she is nobody. The use of the exclamation mark reveal that the speaker is actually excited to be nobody. This is irony because the majority of people would be like to be as somebody. Thus, it strikes the reader as somewhat odd what the speaker says, that she is nobody in a voice of exclamation. She is rather excited to be nobody. So the answer is A. This is exclamation mark, and you can see I am nobody exclamation mark. Okay. Next question is, to which of the following image the poet displays her abhorrence for being recognized? Means how he is saying that he is recognized. So how he is going to be recognized? See, frog. And if you like how public like a frog, you can see the line how public like a frog. So the answer is frog. Solution. In the second stanza, the speaker explained to her hearer explicitly what she does not wish to be anybody. She says that it would be deary to be somebody. She prefers to be left alone. She fears becoming someone public and describe a public person as being like a frog. It seems odd that the speaker would compare a public person to a frog. Perhaps this is because frogs live out in the open, resting of lily pads and pond. So as we all know, frog lives in open, in lily pads, in water pond. Also, he also came out of the, in as you see in rainy season, he also like ta ta. So what she say that she say that means being a frog is to being a public. So she doesn't want to be a frog. So how? So the question answer is frog. Okay. Perhaps this is because frogs can be loud and will croak, reminding everyone of their presence. As I said, when the rain become tata and they say tata, and that means it's and frog shows that he's present. Same like if we be somebody, if we be public, we also shows that we also recognize like a frog. Okay, 98 question means this is what does the word bog refer in the poem? What does the word bog refer in the poem? See, let's first go to the line. Then you will explain very properly. Solving the passage is the very best trick of solving the passage. Read how much time you can read. Means how many time you will read the passage, how many time you will solve the passage. You will come to know the exact point. Okay. So what he's saying, the line, how public like a frog tells one's name the livelong June to be an admiring bog. So come to the question, what? What does the word bog refer in the poem? So what does isolation? See, in the last two line of I am nobody, who are you? Reveal the speaker discussed at the idea of living her life to tell her of her own name. Means to an admiring bog. Means a bog describe a place in which frog might live. Where frog live means isolation. Frog, sometimes frog lives in isolation, and but they, like, they describes a place in which they frog might live. This give further insight into the speaker comprehension of public person to a frog. Also the frog croak constantly, it tell of it exists only to the bog. No one seems to hear it or care that it croak about its own existence. This is why the speaker does not wish to know or advised by someone. She believes it would be as through she were telling of herself to be a bog. Understand? I think you must be understanding this. What does a word bog refers in the poem? Isolation. Just because frog live in a bog and she doesn't want to get advised by other. This is why the speaker does not wish to be known or advised by someone or anyone. ठीक है? Last, not, oh, not as last. What does the life infer? Don't tell that advice you know is today's time. Means what does the line infer? Means what does the line say? So D, toll of popular press and media. Means like, you know, nowadays everyone by being popular persons are also trolled by. If you are doing something good, then also in social media people makes your memes and you got troll. Okay, so what make this poem so powerful is the fact that is resonate that modern audience today. What is the modern audience today? The cult of celebrity dominates the popular press and media. Cultivating the right public persona is everything. The pressure is to be somebody, a perfect social being is enormous. Thus, answer is D. Means if you, the mean is that if you are a popular person, then you have to be a good always. Means you have to do a good work. You have to be a perfect one, and being nobody is means you are nobody, you can live in your ways. Okay, 100 questions is what is the overall tone of the poem. So everyone saying this poem is mocking with a, you know, without seeing option you can say this poem is mocking. The tone is mocking to be a somebody with a bloated ego, self important, needing the admiration of the masses, to be a bit of loser. Ironically, this nobody is the first stanza in Cathodes to the reader, poking fun at the false pretense of those who parade their ego in open view, those who seek fame in a name. Thus, the correct answer is A. Okay, I hope you all understand. Please do subscribe and like my video, and please share also if you can. Thank you. If you want more explanation, or if there are any mistakes, so please tell me in comment section. And one more thing, if you know who written this poem, that also tell. I'm nobody, who are you? Okay, thank you.